continuing with the two-tone look that I want to give my Moto Guzzi V7 Stone, I decided to order handlebars that would match my leather look for the seat and the side satchels. So I got these handlebars from BAAK Motocyclettes in Lyon, France. Here's a closer look. So what BAAK does is they'll send you these Biltwell handlebars, and what they do is they actually put the handmade leather wrap around it, and this is what we have to actually install over here. Now, one thing to note, as these Biltwell handlebars, each one is different in that the size of the holes in either one is different. What you want to do is make sure that the larger hole goes around the throttle and the smaller one goes on the left where the clutch is. But these are described on the box that you get. It's all written back here. As always, make sure you put a piece of cloth on your seat and your tank just to avoid any scratches. You'll thank me later for it. In order to do this, looks like what we need is a 5mm hex key. The other one was 4 that you need for the other parts, but this one will do. A 5mm will do. I really like the Mastercraft. This kind of key gives me good leverage. So first things first, this handlebar has a key on the back here, so let's try and take this off. That seemed pretty easy. As always, whenever you take something off, make sure you have a really nice safe spot to keep it. You don't want dust and dirt and stuff to get in there. And we want to get this thing out. Let's see. This thing is tricky. It's on really tight. So I haven't figured this out just yet, but what I'm having to do is use some WD-40. I'm trying to actually wedge it into the sleeve in here somehow. So a couple things I've had to do is find a screwdriver like that and kind of just like lift it up a bit, squeeze the WD-40 in there, just kind of spray a little bit in there. That wasn't the easiest thing to do, but I did squeeze it in, and I kind of am now, looks like, able to get this out. There it is. That's what you're going to replace. I'm just going to get a piece of cloth and clean all this up. Actually, maybe there is no need to clean it up because you really want some more WD-40 again. So you're going to take the smaller of the two, the one where the hole is smaller, because this is the clutch side. Let's do a little bit of WD-40 around here. Let's try to see if we can just kind of twist this in here. There you go. Now you gotta do the other side. The other side will be exactly the same thing, except you're just gonna use the other one, which has got the bigger hole. Hope that was helpful.